Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discussing about how we can create a new view in Salesforce. So first, we need to understand what is view. So in Salesforce, in every object, you can see there is a one drop down is there, right? So in this drop down, we can see all open leads. Recently, we would pinned list. Today leads, my unread leads. This all we call it as view. Okay. How these views are work? These views are works based on the filter. So where we actually add that filter in here, there is a funnel icon is there. So you just click on that. You can see the filter. Based on the filter, that lead views are works or any object, any views, it will only work on based on the this filter. We have two types of views. One is standard views. Second one is custom views. Standard views means you just click on that drop down. Recently viewed pin list. This is a standard view given by the Salesforce officially. Okay, means not able to add any kind of filter for this particular view. If you open any all open lists, any other list view, it's a custom. So custom means we can add any filter. So this is the two types of views. So then what is the clear definition of view? A view is a saved filter on an object. Means it is a saved filter. We save one filter. Based on that filter, record will be filtered automatically. For example, lead, account, contacts, opportunity, cases. In all this object, we can use views. Okay. Instead of searching, for example, we need to open lead created today or lead status is open not contacted, right? I need to list all the leads or records based on the lead status. If the lead status is open not contacted, I need to group that record or I need to create a separate view for that. So in that time, we will go with views. So object, where we actually use these views, you can create views in leads, account, contact, opportunity, cases, any custom object, you can create the views. Then how to create a new view? So first, we need one requirement, right? So our requirement is I need to group all the record which is their lead status is not contacted. Okay. So what we need to do, if we are in recently pinned list, we are not able to create filter. Okay. So that's why first we need to switch on all leads or all open leads. So then in here you need to click on list view controls. Once you click on that, you can see multiple options are there. So in here you just need to click on new. Once you click on new, you need to mention the list name. So currently I am mentioned list name like open leads. Okay. Then you need to select the who can see this list view. So if you select only I can see this list view, only the person who created this list view, that person can only see. So if you select all users can see this list view, anybody can see this list view. So if you can, you can also share this list view with group of users. So in that time, we will go with share list view with group of users. So currently I'm going with all user can see this list views. Then click on save. Once you save this list view, in here there is a filter, standard filter will be comes. So in here you need to select all fields. Okay. Then click on save. Done. Then you need to add the filter. So if you don't add any filter, the list view is not working properly. Okay. Then click on new filter. In here you need to select the field. Which field? Okay. So we need to select lead status, right? Because our requirement is based on lead status, we need to create list view. So lead status is open not contacted. So I need to group the all the records which is have open not contacted status. Then click on save. So once you add the filter, most people forget to click on save. So don't forget to click on save. Just click on save. Once you click on save, your list will be updated. So previously it is what is showing. For example, all open lists. In here, all mixed lead status are showing. Okay, but now this list view showing based on the filter, like lead status is not contacted. So this is how we can create new list in Salesforce. I hope you understand this thing. Thank you for watching.